Hello everybody, good morning. Pudding is relaxing on my lap. He's here. Okay, say hello to everybody, Pudding. Pudding, say hello to everybody. You wanna say hello? Hello everybody. You wanna say hello everybody? Have a good day everyone. Have a nice day everyone. It's nice and hot weather today, isn't it, Pudding? Hot weather today, isn't it, Boots? Very hot weather, guys. Pudding is hot, so I just want him to relax on the hot weather. Say hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. He's relaxing at the moment, the little monkey. Here is the little monkey. He's relaxing, trying to be relaxed. Okay. He's trying to relax herself. He's a little boy now. He's a little boy. Isn't it? You are a little boy. Yeah, he's a little boy. He's here. Look at the little boy. Little boy. Who is the little boy? Going to sleep. Who is the little monster? Who is the little boy? Going to sleep. The rabbit is here. He's going to sleep soon. Isn't it hot weather today, Pudding? Isn't it? Summertime now. You are not going to swim? No, don't want to swim. He doesn't like to swim, guys. No, don't want to swim. No, you don't like water, isn't it? You don't like to get hurt, isn't it? Here, guys. The little cutie pea rabbit is here. He likes to be cuddled. He likes to be stroked all the time. Unending stroke, isn't it? You like the stroke? Yeah, wow, that's a nice bridge. They like to be stroked. Big, big stroke. Oh, that's a nice bridge, isn't it, Pudding? Yeah, isn't it, Pudge? Oh, Pudding is so good, boy. He's a good boy today, guys. He went up to his gates, trying to. I don't know what he's planning. He's trying to challenge again his friend to fight with him this morning. You are trying to fight your friend again, Pudding? No, Pudge? Or not? You are a good friend now? Yeah? Yeah, trying to sleep now, Pudge. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, Pudding. Come on, food. Close your eyes. Come on, food. Here, close your eyes. Up. Don't touch. Don't bite me. I'm not gonna bite you, Pudding. Pudding is here. So good boy today. Isn't it, Boots? You are a good boy, isn't it? You are not. You are a good boy today, isn't it, Boots? Yeah. You are a good boy, isn't it, Boots? Yeah. Good boy today, isn't it, Pudding? Yeah, she likes to be good boy today, isn't it? Good boy, good boy. Isn't it good? You are a good boy now? Good boy today, Bud? Oh, that's a big yawn. I saw that yawn. That's a big yawn. You feeling sleepy now? You feeling sleepy? You feeling sleepy? I know you're feeling sleepy now. Ouch. No, don't bite. Don't bite. You are heavy. Oops. You want to go and play now? No? You want to go and play? You want to go and play? I let you play. That's a big yawn. You are yawning now. Hmm? Hmm. Guys, Pudding is a little boy, and he doesn't like his friend that much because, yeah,